welcome to my channel AHDU series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own water pump. This is going to be super exciting and super cool because guess what? We're using air to start our water pump and to make the water flow. Isn't that going to be amazing? We're not using any of the mechanical or electrical things to make the water pump. Just air, plain old air. And now, this is another one of my outdoor experiments to realize I am outside. Who wants to know how to make your water pump? Okay, so all you need to do is take a bottle, make a hole in it, put a straw through it, make sure no air leaks by putting some hot glue. And need a balloon. I'm using air pump to blow it up. So, I'm going to open the bottle up. And now, I'm going to show you how it's going to work. And I'm using this to water the flowers. I like watering flowers. It's my time pass. Because, now really not much to do. Since it's COVID-19, so yeah. Found a new hobby. Hope you did too during this. And pump your balloon. Yeah, pump, pump, pump. Okay, I really don't want it to pop, so I think I should fill it this much. Yeah, it should be good. After that, just twist it. Because then you don't want any air to leak. Don't tie it up. I'm telling you. Don't tie it up. Okay, now take one finger and put it through the hole to widen it up. So I'm really having a hard time doing this. Yeah. And stretch it over. Oh, wow, I can't believe I did that. No, I didn't. See, I told you, I can't do this. It's really tough. Oh, God. Come on, I can do this. Yeah, there we go. Now, what we're gonna do is take the clip off this end. And then make it go around. Then we're gonna tie it up. Just let it go. And there you go. Your pump is working. I'm watering your flowers. Place a balloon and water. Now, pinch the balloon to stop it. Then start. Pinch the balloon. Whee! I'm watering your flowers. With this, a pump. Congratulations. Oh, what? That just sounds like it's burping. So once the water's almost empty, it struggles. Yeah, I don't like the sound. So yeah. Okay. Yeah, I just let it continue by itself. Okay, now who wants to know the science behind it? It's simple. So, all you're doing is, since the balloon is made out of rubber, it does not want to stay stretched all the way. It wants to get smaller. So, it's pushing the air out of the balloon in such a force that the air pressure is pushing the water down and the air is replacing the water out through the straw. And then at the end, you will see that there's no water left. Take off the balloon. And water all over me. And no water. How cool is that? And at the end, your balloon will deflate. So, tell me, did you enjoy that? I bet you did. That was so cool, wasn't it? you just made your own water pump. And yay, you found another way to water your garden. Now isn't that cool? So, it's the end of the video, so I guess you have to say bye-bye. So if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like if you enjoyed this video. See you soon, stay tuned, bye!